Welcome friends, thanks for joining in Techie World channel. Today we will talk about an important topic in case you are doing a transaction from one Bitcoin wallet to another Bitcoin wallet, how you can track that particular transaction, and especially if you're using Koinex and trying to transfer to Zebpay or any other currency exchange. So I will let you know how you can really search for it and how you can track, because in Koinex I have seen that they are a bit lousy on providing information and they don't have any contact points on which we can really call and check, which is not good. Ideally, if you are running a big exchange like that, so you must have a good contact point, which is a big flaw in Koinex, what I believe, and hopefully they will work on it and improve it. Okay, so but still today what I've done is I've transferred a small amount of Bitcoin from Koinex to Zebpay, but still that particular amount is not yet credited. So I'm because I'm not able to see any notification as well. So you can see in the notification it doesn't show any transfer notification. So I was looking for an option from where I can track it. So I will show you today how you can track that. Okay, let's see. Okay friends, so we have few options, so I will let you know what are the options which we can do and check how we can really track our transactions. So there are two methods on which you can really go and check your transaction. So the first method would be like you need to have your wallet address. Okay, so I've already noted down my wallet address. This is the source wallet address and this is the destination. Okay, this is the destination wallet address. Okay, so I will tell you this particular information later, but I will tell you how from Koinex website how we can track it, that if we have done any transaction, so how we can really check. So ideally what you need to do is you need to go to your balance and you can deposit. If you hit deposit, you will get an address here. Okay, this is your address and you have to copy it very carefully. You don't need to really, you need to match all the full address and keep it safe so that you can utilize and transfer the money. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, so you need to hit this withdraw button. Okay, and you need to write up the volume and then whatever the address you have, you paste it here and then hit next, and then it will ask for authentication and you will give your authentication. Then there will be a small withdrawal fee which will be debited from your transaction. Okay, so let's say we have done the transaction and now I need to track my transaction, how and it will show up. Okay, so if you see like in the history tab, right, it has two histories. If we can see this, these are some trade histories, and here you can see the deposit and withdrawals. Okay, if you go to withdrawal here and you can see there is one withdrawal which I've done on Ethereum, so that was complete. And if we see this withdrawal, it shows as processed. Okay, and if you click here and you can see like, okay, this is this is the withdrawal charges, this is the amount which we have, this is the volume of Bitcoin which we have withdrawal, and this is the status, and this is as what you can say is processed, and this is the link on which we can check the status. If you hit this particular link, it will show that this transaction is unconfirmed. Okay, so let's say you are not sure that your wallet address is correct or not, and you have done the transfer correctly or not. So what you need to do is you need to go to this blockchain website. So what you need to write up like track BTC transactions. So if you hit in Google, and you will land to a page where this is a blockchain info. So in that you can track. Okay, so what you need is you need to check that the wallet which you used, that is correct or not. Okay, so for that what you need to do is you need to copy your destination wallet address. You will copy this, and what you need to do is you need to paste here and do a control V or like any option which you like and hit search. Okay, so it will land to a transaction, and you can see it is the same transaction. Okay, and this is what we have done, and it shows as unconfirmed. So now we can say, okay, this is the correct transaction which we are tracking and we have done correctly. So we need to wait until this particular transaction get complete, so it will be credited in our destination wallet. Okay, so this is the method, these are the two methods which you can really use and do check your withdrawal. And once this withdrawal get complete, I will update that in the comment section and let you know that the transaction has complete. But what I believe is the Koinex is a big exchange, so if you are a big exchange like this in India, so at least you should own a good bit of responsibility. In case if anybody require anything, they should provide their online chat support or customer care, phone support. Even I've seen they have, if you go down, they have a support ticket option. So if you open a support ticket, they respond, but the response is very delayed response, and that is not also very good response, what I believe. So they need a huge improvement in that aspect. If they really jump into this particular market and they need to sustain, what I believe is right now the people are not having great options, but still this is the opportunity where they should retain their customers and they should really give a good support, at least because they have in the past they have issues with withdrawals, they have issues with deposits as well. And right now even you can see there is a notification where it says like withdrawals are halted due to there some settings withdrawal collaboration which is happening between their partners. So there is an issue with transactions if you want to withdraw or deposit. So these sort of things which need to be addressed by Koinex as soon as possible, because if you want to stay in the market you should provide a good service, right? Because if you are a big exchange you should give a quality service, that is what important and everybody is looking for it. So thanks guys for watching this. If you have any questions, just shoot out in the comment section. If you have any experience like tracking the transaction, it is a BTC, XRP, Ethereum or any other thing, just let me know. And let me know in the comment section and I will be happy to answer if you have any query. If you like this video, just hit the like button, and if you have any friends who really want to know about this particular process, just share the video to them, and so that they can really check out the process, how they can track their transactions, and they will be it will be easy for them to track and understand where their transaction is. And also subscribe my channel. And this is we are signing off from Techie World channel. Thank you very much for watching this. See you.